What's up, guys? It's Ryan again with the MXG and AOMC YouTube channels, and I'm back today to bring you some information. I'm still coming from my bedroom. I'm trying to get over COVID, and a little bit ironically, COVID is probably the reason that I have to make this video in the first place, guys. It's time to talk about 2022 GasGas, actually 2023 GasGas model price increases. It's definitely no mystery as to why supply chain has been in pretty much crisis mode for the last couple years, and we were all expecting price increases, but whenever I got the information from KTM a couple weeks ago about their price increases, I definitely didn't expect it to be quite that much. Of course, there have been a lot of issues with suppliers. There has been some real inflation problems across the globe for sure. But the KTM price increases were the single greatest one-year increase I've ever seen in the motorcycle industry. So if you want to check out that video, I'll link it down below. But today I'm going to talk about the GasGas price increases. Started looking into this yesterday when the 2022 GasGas TLD edition bike was announced. I was a bit surprised to see that it was the same price as the KTM, so I started looking into some of the regular models, and guys, we're looking at substantial increases. The easiest way I can wrap it all up super fast is to tell you that the big bike models, 250 and up for GasGas, you're looking at between $500 and as much as $800 increase per model. It's most of the models are pretty much $600 across the board on the big bikes. So it's pretty much around $600 across the board, but there's a few models like the EC. No, the EX250 went up $800. I can't really understand why it went up more than the 300, but so I'm going to give you the rundown now of how much the prices went up. So the MC E5 Electric 50 was $48.49 last year. It's now $50.99. It's up $2.50. The regular MC Gas 50, it was $41.99 last year. It's now $44.99. That's up $300. The MC65 was $48.49 last year, and it's up to $51.99. So that's what, $350? The 85s, they're up to $62.99 from $59.99 last year, so $300. The MC125, $67.99 last year, is now up to $71.99. So that's a $400 increase. The MC250F was $84.99 last year and is up to $89.99 now. That's $500. And then pretty much all the other big bikes from there, including the MC450F, are up $600. The MC450F was $93.99 last year, which was really nice. It put it right on par with most of the Japanese four-strokes. I think it was the same price as the Cowie, if I'm not mistaken. It is now $99.99. So I haven't seen any information on the Japanese price increases yet, or any videos. I know they're going to have to be there. The price is going to have to go up. The question is how much. Do they have any tricks in their sleeve they can pull to keep the price lower than the Austrians? We will see. Some of these bikes that had escaped last year less than 10 grand, you know, the EC300, the EX250, EX300, EX250F, EX350F, those were all under 10 grand last year, and they're almost all over 10 grand this year. The EX250F was $90.99 last year and is now up to $96.99. So what's the scariest part about all this? I'd have to say the scariest part is I don't see this ending after this year. I can totally see me sitting here making a video, hopefully not in my room trying to get over COVID, but I can totally see me making a video this time next year letting you know about price increases again, and that's what scares me the most, without a doubt. So Guys, I still don't have any information on the Husky price increases yet. Normally they are a few $100s more than the KTMs across the board, but when I get that information, I will bring it to you as soon as I can. It's going to be an exciting month next month. We're nearing the end of January. Next month is when the new platforms are going to come out. So the new KTM, the new Husky, the bikes that we'll be learning and talking about for the next 3, 4, 5 years are going to come out next month. So very exciting. As soon as the first next gen platform arrives at the dealership, I'll be over there. I'll take you, do a walk around, we'll do an unboxing vid, whatever. I think I've told you guys I've got one of those bikes with my name on it, so you guys will be learning it with me. So if you appreciate these videos, hit that red subscribe button. If you want to go the extra step and support the channel, be able to communicate with me, send me messages whenever you want, just hit that blue join button. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.